We were kids and we got through it, but as adults, when you are riding them or driving them, it's pretty exhausting by the end of the day.
Well, if your children ride the school bus, you may be wondering if they're going to be cool, comfortable, and safe once they drive out of sight.
News Channel 3's Jeff Stahl has contacted all of our local school districts and spent this summer break looking into how many of the local school buses have air conditioning to keep students cool, even as triple-digit summer heat wears on.
One switch controls the whole bus.
Our summer heat hasn't let up, but unlike years past, local schools have now converted most, if not all, of their school buses to fully air-conditioned rides.
But it makes a big difference.
Yeah, I think so. I think it should be standard on any kind of transportation, when you've got people.
That's good news for both Desert Sands students and drivers who should be cool on the bus, even on our summer's hottest days.
Yeah, the morale is better. It's not 120 degrees and you got 81 kids in the bus. Everyone's sweating and it's hot and they're miserable.
Now this is one of the Desert Sands Unified School District's newest school buses, not even put into service yet. It's got AC vents, as you can see, along the entire row of seats. So unlike some of the older buses, this bus, there's literally not a bad seat when it comes to air conditioning.
As John remembers full well, it hasn't always been this way.
I remember because I rode them, when I was a kid. We rode the buses with no AC, so it was tough.
This is also an improvement since 2017, when News Channel 3 looked into hot school buses and safety concerns for the students and drivers in them. At the time, Desert Sands only had AC in the district's special needs buses. Parents were concerned.
Well, she was beet red, her shirt was soaked in sweat, the back of her shorts were soaked in sweat, and she was just pink.
A spokeswoman said they understood parent concerns and were working to get new buses with AC while also taking other steps.
We try to park the buses in shady areas whenever possible. We always have the windows down during the transportation of the students, so there is some airflow.
Here's the current breakdown. For Palm Springs Unified, the district says all of its 99 buses are air-conditioned. It's the same for Desert Sands with 102. A spokeswoman saying all buses used to transport students have AC. And the Coachella Valley Unified says 91 of its 95 buses have AC, with 2 more to be delivered by next spring. A transportation representative says all 85 daily buses have AC. Back at the Desert Sands bus yard.
This is one of our brand new buses they just got in.
And we found out AC isn't cheap, about $30,000 a bus to add on or convert.
I think they retrofit 6 to 7 buses with the whole new AC system. Yeah, about every 18 inches. We got AC vents coming from the side and then coming directly down.
There and around the desert, a cooler ride is a safer ride.
Safer, less risk for any type of heat illness.
And buses that, now that they're more comfortable, can be used for more field trips instead of renting other more costly rides. Jeff Stahl, News Channel 3.
Well, one thing that won't keep your kids cool on the bus, state law and air pollution regulation prohibits bus drivers from idling their buses when they're parked at a school waiting for kids.
So drivers can't turn on the AC to cool the students who are getting on until 30 seconds before departing. That often means a hot bus for desert kids until the AC kicks in. Again, that's state law.